Hello, good morning. So in today's training, we are going to cover how to upload contacts into GoHighLevel. First is make sure you have the email list inside a Google Sheet. This is an example of an email sheet I created. Has the customer's full name. The full name part is optional. The only important parts are first name, last name, and email. Phone number is also optional. If you have the phone numbers, that would be really great. Since with GoHighLevel, you can also send out SMS communications. So let's say this is your email list. All you have to do is go ahead and click File, Download, and download a CSV file or comma separated values. And once you're done downloading, go back to your GoHighLevel account. We are again on the sub account that we created for this demo. Now go to Contacts. One important thing is you have to be an admin for you to be able to upload or import contacts. If you're not an admin, you will not see these options. So let's say you are not an admin, um, reach out to the admins of the account. For this instance, for AGM, you can reach out to me directly or to Juan. So going forward, once you're in the contacts, again, go ahead and click on the last option, which is import contacts. You have two options here. You can either drag and drop the file or just go ahead and click the upload file and select the file from your desktop. So this is the file that we are going to upload. Go ahead and double click, then click next. The next part is matching the data. Now, GoHighLevel does a great job with matching the basic information such as name, email, phone number. So this, as you see, these are already matched. Now, let's say, for example, this is an extra value, meaning, let's say, for example, this is not a phone number. This is an extra value that you don't want to include on the upload. Just go ahead and click on the checkbox that says don't import data in unmatched columns. This will automatically exclude the section. Now, since I want to include the phone number, let's go ahead and search for phone as the value. Once you're all good with the matching points, so name, first name, last name, email, and phone number are all good. Click next. You're now going to proceed to the last step, which is the import details. So name your import file correctly. Let's say, for example, this is my demo contacts. Upload. Now, this option is to create a smart list. A smart list is like a segment, whereas when you click a segment, it will automatically populate a list of people that falls under that segment. So for this specific case, we are going to enable this, but this is an optional step. You don't need to upload or create a smart list every time you import contacts. Now the next part is verifying or checking for duplicates. I always select add new and update existing contacts. This ensures that it will not create multiple contacts just in case those contacts that I'm uploading is already on file. Now my variable to check duplicate contacts is email. You can add extra variables such as phone, for example. That way it will exclude uploading these contacts if they match this information. So in this instance, we're gonna remove the phone as I normally don't use that. The next step is the most important thing is to create tags. Now, let's say, for example, you are uploading a contact or an email list or a second batch of the email list. Let's say you're on the batch 2, you already uploaded batch 1. You have to select the same tag that you uploaded before. Let's say if you want to add a contact on the specific tag, you can easily search for it. But for this instance, this is a brand new sub account, so we don't have any tags, we don't have any segments, we don't have any contacts at all. So we're going to create a new tag, and we're going to call this demo tag. As you can see, there is a plus icon below it. So go ahead and click on it. What it does, it automatically then creates the tag for you, which is this one. As long as it's highlighted in blue, it means it's already created and it's ready to be imported into your account. So once you're all good, tag added, contact validation added, import name added, and we have also enabled the smart list. Go ahead and then click on submit. Now, depending on the size of your list, It may take a few minutes or seconds or a couple of hours, perhaps depending if it's more than 10,000 or 50,000 list. You can always view the progress by clicking here. Or let's say, for example, if you closed it, you can view the progress by going to the bulk actions. And this is the progress status. Now there are 3 to 4 progress status for bulk actions. It's either completed, canceled, in progress, or on pause. So as you can see, this is what is marked as completed. You can view the stats here. Total of 4 contacts. So we have 4 contacts here. 4 contacts created, 0 updated, meaning we don't have any contacts that were updated since this is a brand new account. And then there are 0 errors, meaning there are no contacts that weren't uploaded due to errors, for example, incorrect emails, incorrect phone number formats. So once you want to view your contacts, just go back to the smart list section. These are all your contacts. The smart list that we created earlier is this one. So once you select this, it will populate all the contacts that falls under the smart list. Now, the reason why this is optional step, and I don't recommend using the smart list every time you upload a contact, is it only allows you to have 3 showing at the same time. So there's going to be a drop down here, which technically will not be beneficial, will take time or time-consuming task for you to find the specific smart list. So instead, since we are uploading contacts using tags or with tags in them, you always need to use filters, filter by tag, and then search for the tag that's created. Let's say, for example, you now have created multiple tags. You can always search for them as long as you know the tag that you're searching for, and it will display the list of tags that has that word on it. So in this instance, I search for demo, and I only have 1 tag that says demo. Click on it, and then click on apply. It will only populate the contacts that has that tag. So if I go and close this, so these are all the tags that are the false for each contact. Now let's say, for example, you want to create a new smart list based on those tags. So just go ahead and click on save as smart list and name that smart list, demo smart list. And that smart list here will show up here under the menu option. So again, you have the all contacts. This falls or shows all the contacts you have under the sub account. The demo contacts upload. This is the smart list we used earlier when we uploaded the contacts. And then the demo smart list, this is the smart list we just created right now based on the filters we used. So that's all for this training on how to upload contacts into GoHighLevel, and see you guys on the next.